Everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to show live match score on Navbar in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So you can easily enjoy to live score on your Navbar option. So I'm provide how can easily set up. Simply open your settings, scroll down, click on lock screen and AOD. Then you get Navbar option. Then showing you to sports from Google. Make sure to turn on and open it and set up. Click on. Then showing you to more match. You need to just follow this. Now unfollow to follow. Okay. Showing it to all. Select on. Follow. Just follow. So when you follow, when play this country, then showing here live score. So that's it.